Most people think their life will change with one big break, but they're wrong. Success isn't a lightning bolt. It's a slow burn fueled by the things you do when no one is watching. If you want to enter 2026 as a completely different person, you need to master these 12 non-negotiable daily habits. First, you must win the morning. Start before the world wakes up to eliminate the noise and claim the day before it even begins. Next, master your environment by making your bed. It's not a chore. It's a discipline that tells your brain you are in control. Every morning you must eat the frog by doing one hard thing, like a cold shower or a workout, to conquer discomfort early. Protect your first hour with a digital blackout. No scrolling or emails, because your mind is most powerful when it's untouched. Remember, motion creates momentum, so move your body daily because an active body leads to an unstoppable mind. Stay sharp by hydrating for performance. Drink water like it's fuel to keep your energy high. You must also maintain a clutter-free zone because a clean space leads to sharper decisions. Dedicate just 10 minutes to growth by reading or learning something new every single day. Always keep one daily promise to yourself to build unbreakable self-respect and integrity. You must also audit your circle, surrounding yourself only with people who force you to level up. Practice deep work by focusing on one task for an hour without distractions. And finally, end your day with a triple win review by writing down 3 things you achieved. Transformation doesn't happen in the comments, it happens in the consistency. If you're ready to commit, type unstoppable below to lock it in, and let's make 2026 your year.